Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Nate's Auto DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a fog light. This is for the 2007 Pontiac Vibe. Also kind of goes for the Matrix and the older Vibes. So you have here your fog lights. All you have to do is go underneath here. You have two 10mm bolts. You got one right here and one right here. All you have to do is unscrew both of them and you'll have access to the fog light. Alright, so once you unscrewed both of those bolts, just put this aside and then you go underneath. I'll turn the light on so you can see. Hang on, it's right up here. So all you gotta do is take it right here and turn it to the, hang on, you turn it to the right and then it pops out just like that. And then you have a tab right here. You just pull these two gray tabs up and you'll be able to pull out the wire. So here I have an LED bulb that I got for it. All you gotta do is just plug it in. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Come on. Alright, give me 1 second. So all you gotta do is put it back in. Apparently the bulb I got is the wrong bulb, so I have to return that, but it's the same process. You plug this bulb in, and then you go under here. Sometimes it can be a bit of a pain to find that position to lock it in. You just gotta find that sweet spot. It's giving me a little bit of trouble, as you can see. I'll be right back. Alright, I finally got it in there. You just have to turn it a little bit, maybe 30 degrees or something, and then just twist it on. And once you get that, you just take this plastic piece, make sure it lines up here. Just make sure it goes underneath the lip, like that, just like that. And then you screw these two bolts back in. I would do it by hand first a little bit, give it a few screws in there. And then you put the other one back in and you'll be good to go. Alright, so once you get those two screws bolted on, you are done. The same thing for the other side. There'll be two bolts. Just unscrew that, put the bulb in, put them back in, and it's easy as that. So if this video was helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.